Alright, hey guys, what's up? Hope you enjoyed that video of the red oak removal that we did the other day. Got it all done. Pretty bad filming on my part. I apologize. I'm trying to get better at it. I just keep forgetting to hit record every time. Back in the shop now, working on the saws, cleaning them up, sharpening them up, getting ready for whatever comes next. Got the 395 all sharpened up over there. Gonna hit up the 572. Gotta do the T435 next. Also putting together my new falling belt setup. I ordered a bunch of stuff from West Coast Saw. So, got Grizzly Peak wedge holder and scabbard. Sacks, get some chain sacks. Also ordered another set of suspenders. I wear suspenders pretty much every day on the regular, so I ordered some of their suspenders to set up as a designated falling setup. Got a shoulder pad for the bars, carrying around the saw, but just working on setting this up. Should be nice to actually have. Gonna be building a new axe too, just for a falling setup, which will be nice. But yeah, it's just a shop day for us around here. Gonna be cleaning up and getting ready for whatever comes next. I'm also really bad at filming head level too, so I'll work on that. Another good way that I found to clean saws easily is instead of wiping them down the full way, you can take an air compressor and blow them out. I just have a simple blow nozzle, so I'll pull this apart and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. So you can see how there's a bunch of just sawdust built up with oil all over the bar and all over the saw, all over the clutch cover. So what I do is I wipe the bar down with paper towel or rag, take my West Coast Saw raker gauge, run it through the bar, clean out the rails. I always flip my bar every time I sharpen it, pretty much, or every time I clean it, I flip it over to the other side. Helps it wear a little bit evenly. And then I take the air compressor and I just blow all this crap off. So you can see it doesn't work 100%, but it's definitely gets it really good. All the big junks out of there, so now you just gotta give it a little wipe down and you are all set from there. well, that's all I got for you guys today. Quick little saw video, just sharpening saws and cleaning them. Gonna keep trying to upload more. Hopefully we'll get some snow here soon. We can get to snowing. I tied off some stuff on my belt to keep it from moving. I just took 550 cord, tied where I want my wedges, where I want my scabbard, tied some chain sacks on there, just to keep them all in place. But yeah, thanks for watching. Feel free to hit subscribe if you want to follow along with our journey, and have a nice day.